Have you ever faced out-of-memory error when you run Composer Update on your server? Instead of upgrading your server RAM, we can increase swap file size. SSH into your server and follow these few steps. No worries, I will provide you all the commands in the link below. Within minutes, your Composer update will run flawlessly. Click like if you like our content and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.